In today's video, I will teach you how to rotate objects inside an image in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click File and Open, and select the image that you want to edit. Now choose a selection tool from the toolbar, like the lasso tool by pressing L, or the magic wand tool by pressing W to select the object that you want to rotate. Now carefully draw or click around the object to create a selection. And once selected, press Ctrl-C to copy the object, then press Ctrl-V to paste it as a new layer. This separates the object from the background. Now we're going to use the Free Transform tool. With the object's layer selected, press Ctrl-T, or simply go to Edit, then Free Transform. A bounding box with handles will appear around the object. Now move your cursor outside one of the corners of the bounding box until it changes into a curved arrow. Then click and drag to rotate the object to the desired angle. And once you're satisfied, press Enter to apply the transformation. If needed, click inside the bounding box to move the rotated object to a different position within the image. If rotating the object exposes rough edges or imperfections, you can use the Eraser tool or the Refine Edge tool for a cleaner result. And once you're satisfied, go to File, then Export As, then choose your preferred file format like JPEG or PNG to save the edited image. And now you've successfully rotated an object inside your image using Photopea. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.